Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am introducing blouse designs. Elegant silk blouses. This stunning silk drape blouse is designed for women who appreciate effortless application. Crafted from premium soft touch silk, the blouse features a naturally flowing silhouette that flatters every body shape. The front drape detail adds gentle movement, creating a graceful feminine look. Its subtle sheen catches the light beautifully, making it perfect for both daytime elegance and evening charm. Finished with delicate stitching and minimalistic curves, this blouse combines comfort with high-end fashions. Whether paired with tailored pant or sleek skirts, it creates a polished look. Timeless outfits. Modern pleated yoke blouses. These modern pleated yoke blouses blends classic tailoring with contemporary style. The finely pressed with the pleats on the front and textures and dimensions drawing the eye upward for a refined appearance. Made from lightweight breathable fabric, provides all day comfort without compromising on structure. The standing neckline enhances its chic fashion forward vibe, while the relaxed sleeve bring balance to the silhouette. Ideal for office wear, casual outings, or semi-formal events, this blouse adds a touch of sophistication to any wardrobe. Soft chiffon layered blouse. A dreamy layered chiffon blouse is designed to move like air. Its double layer construction gives a soft ethereal feel and still providing full coverage. The gently rounded neck and flowing sleeves create an elegant drape that flatters effortlessly, crafted with delicate chiffon that catches every breeze. This blouse adds a aura of your look. Dress it up with heels or keep it casual with jeans. Its versatility makes it staple for every season. The lightweight fabric keeps you cool while maintaining a graceful feminine charm. Embroidered boho cotton blouses. These boho inspired cotton blouses captures the beauty of handcrafted artistry, adorned with intricate embroidery across the neckline and sleeves. It brings a unique artistry touch your outfit. The breathable cotton fabric ensures comfort all day, while the relaxed fit makes it easy to style for casual or semi-formal occasions. The tassel tie necklines adds a playful charm, and the embroidered patterns give it warm cultural feel, perfect for summer days, vacations, and any event where you want to channel effortless boho chic. Classic button-down satin blouses, a luxurious take on a traditional button-down. These satin blouses elevates everyday style with a soft, glossy finish. The smooth satin fabric glides against the skin, offering unmatched comfort and elegant design with a tailored fit, structured collar, and clean button black. It creates a refined silhouette ideal for both professional and evening wear. The long sleeve tapered slightly for a polished look and lightly fabric makes layering easy whether tucked in or left flowing. This blouse delivers timeless application. Luxury organza statement sleeve blouses. The luxury organza blouses is all about brown thick elegance, crafted with a safety bodies and voluminous sheer sleeves. It brings a perfect balance of sophistication and bold style. The statement puff sleeves are designed from premium organza that holds its shape while adding airy lightning to the silhouette. A fitted waistline enhances your natural curve, making the blouse ideal for evening events, celebrations, or fashion-forward daytime looks. The subtle shimmer of the fabric adds a gentle radiance, ensuring you stand with refined confidence where you go. Soft Georgette ruffle neck blouses. This Georgette blouse is the definition of soft femininity, featuring a beautifully constructed ruffle neckline. It frames the face with delicate movement and charm. The fabric is light, semi-sheer, and designed to glide effortlessly while keeping you comfortable for long hours. It relaxes fit, allow easy stylish with skirts, trousers, or even denim. For a casual chic vibe, the long sleeves are finished with gentle gathers, adding elegance to every gesture. Perfect for office wear, brunch date, or evening dinner. This blouse effortlessly time grace. Minimalistic high neck crepe blouses, a masterpiece of clean lines and modern sophistication. This high neck crepe blouse is crafted for women who love understand luxury. The smooth crepe fabric drapes beautifully, creating a structured yet comfortable fit. The high neck gives a refined contemporary appeal, while the back features delicate keyhole closure for a subtle touch of grace. Long tailored sleeve at branch to the simple silhouette ideal for professional setting or minimalistic fashion lovers. This blouse brings effortlessly style any outfit. Less trimmed evening blouses. This stunning evening blouses combines no satin with intricate lace details for luxurious feel. The soft V neckline is firm with the delicate lace trimming that add depth and elegance. The sleeves particularly sheer and lace inserts, creating a sophisticated play of texture. Design with slightly fitted waist, it enhances your silhouette while maintaining comfort, perfect for dinners, parties, formal gathering. This blouse brings a timeless charm and irresistible feminine glow. Vintage inspired vintage elegance. This pink blouses features fine handcrafted pleats that keeps it beautifully structured front. The lightweight cotton silk blend can ensure breathability and softness, making it ideal for all day wear. A subtle rounded collar adds a classic touch, while the long sleeves and in gentle gathered curves, the blouse flows gracefully over the body, offering a refined silhouette that pair perfectly with both modern and dress outfits. Ideal for lovers, classic fashion with a touch of nostalgia. Crystal button velvet blouses, including in pure sophistication with this velvet blouse designed to make every moment feel grand. Crafted from ultra soft plush velvet, it offers luxurious texture that feels rich against the skin. Front is adorned with the sparkling crystal buttons, adding a glamour touch that elevates the entire designs. Full length sleeves with gentle gathered curves bring a jungle finish. Whether styled with festive evening or elegant dinner, this blouse shines with timeless charm, offering both comfort and undeniable luxury. Pearl embellished chiffon blouses. This pearl embellished chiffon blouses brings together delicate craftsmanship and effortless beauty. Hand placed pearls decorate the neckline and sleeves, giving the blouses a soft, graceful glow. The double layer chiffon construction ensure flowy movement with complete coverage. The silhouette is relaxed yet polished, making it suitable for office meetings, celebration, and formal gathering. The lightweight feel and airy fabric allow the blouse to drape elegantly with every step, creating a look that is both refined and stylish. Structured peplum crepe blouses designed for the modern woman. This peplum crepe blouses delivers a perfect blend power of elegance. The premium crepe fabric offers structure while maintaining a soft, comfortable touch. The fitted bodies highlight the waist, while the peplum flare add a flattering, feminine shape. A subtle V neckline enhance sophistication without compromising modesty. Ideal for business event, office wear, and polished everyday outfits. These blouses create a sleek, confident look that stands out effortlessly. Floral jacquard metallic blouses. This metallic jacquard blouses is a true statement piece crafted for special occasion. The fabric feature a luxurious woven floral pattern with metallic thread that shimmer beautifully under light design. With a tailored fit and dramatic sleeves, it blends elegance with a high fashion edge. The rounded neckline keeps the look refined, while the textured fabric brings richness and depth. Ideal for festive night, weddings, or gala event, this blouses offers regal presence with a bold modern twist. Soft model draped front blouses experience unmatched comfort with this model draped front blouses designed with the flowed lines and silky soft finish. This drape closures detail at the front create a naturally elegant silhouette, making it flattering for all body types. Made from breathable, eco-friendly model fabric, it feels cool and smoothing against the skin. Full sleeves with gentle fall add to its relaxed shoppification, perfect for everyday chic, stylish travel looks or casual business settings. This blouse promises comfort with elevated simplicity. Satin bow tie neck blouses. This satin bow tie neck blouse is perfect blend of feminine charm and modern sophistication. Made from soft glossy satin, it drapes beautifully over the body, offering a comfortable yet polished fit. The statement bow at the neckline add a playful chic essence, while long sleeves with tailored cuffs enhance elegance. Ideal for office wear, brunches, or evening outings. This blouse effortlessly elevate your look. Pair it with tailored pants or pencil skirts to create a refined, stylish ensembles that execute confidence in graceful touch. Hand embroidered silk blouses. These executed Hand embroidered silk blouses bring exterior luxury to your wardrobe. Crafted from premium silk, it features intricate floral embroidery along the neckline and cuffs, creating a delicate, eye catching appeal. The lightweight fabric flows gracefully, providing comfort without compromising sophistication. Full length blouses, touch perfect for formal event, festive occasion, or special gathering. These blouses pair beautifully with skirts or high waisted trousers, offering timeless elegance with the every step. Classic deep red blouses. These classic deep red velvet blouses execute sophistication and timeless elegance crafted from premium stretched velvet. It offers a soft plush feel that drapes beautifully across the body. The high waist neckline, the long fitted sleeves provide a flattering streamlined silhouette, while the subtle pleats at the shoulder add dimension and refinement, perfect for festive evening, formal dinners, or holiday parties. These blouses pair with the pants, skirts, or elegant sarees, giving a regal, confident look. The rich velvet sheen catches the light, giving a luxurious glow to every assemble. Off-shoulder velvet evening blouses make a statement with this stunning off-shoulder velvet blouses designed for bold elegance. The soft premium velvet fabric provide a silky, luxurious feel, while the off-shoulder neckline highlight the collarbone with grace. The fitted bodies accumulate the waist, creating a flattening silhouette, and full-length sleeves balanced to design, ideal for evening parties, wedding, formal gathering. This blouse can be paired with flowing skirts or high-waisted trousers for glamorous fashion. Forward assembles the smooth, lustrous finish of velvet enhances the appearance and charm. Velvet bow tie neck blouses. These bow tie neck blouses combines elegance with a playful feminine touch made from soft, rich velvet. It drapes beautifully while maintaining a structured fit. The front bow tie detail adds sophistication and charm, drawing attention to the neckline. Long sleeves with this slight puffing at the shoulder create a modern silhouette, while the fitted waist enhance every curves subtly, perfect for holiday gatherings, formal dinners, or evening outings. This blouse is paired seamlessly with the velvet sheen, elevate the look, making it an ideal choice for stylish celebration. Embroidered velvet party blouses bring festive elegance to your wardrobe. With these embroidered velvet party blouses, crafted from soft, rich velvet, it features intricate thread embroidery along the neckline and sleeves, adding texture and visual interest. The fitted silhouette enhance natural curves while maintaining comfort and ease of movement. Long tailored sleeves and a subtle round neckline complete the sophisticated design, ideal for wedding evenings, dinners, or formal events. These blouses pair beautifully with skirts, plazos, traditional attire. The luxurious velvet finish and execute embroidered ensure you stand out with timeless grace and style. Velvet ruffle sleeve blouses. This velvet ruffle sleeve blouse is important of sophistication made from plush soft velvet. The blouse drapes elegantly while offering a structured fit. The statement ruffle sleeves add movement and a whimsical charm to design, while the slightly fitted bodies creates a flattering silhouette and a subtle boat neckline complement the dramatic sleeves, making it subtle for parties, festive events, or evening outings. Pair it with sleek trousers, skirts, or polished, luxurious look. The rich velvet texture and sheen lend regal aura, ensuring you make a stylish statement whether you go. Velvet peplum blouses. These velvet peplum blouses execute refined elegance with a contemporary twist. Crafted from rich soft velvet, it features a tailored bodies that accentuate the waist, while the flared peplum hem adds a playful yet sophisticated touch. Long sleeve with the subtle gathers at the cuffs, balance the designs provide a polished finish. The high round neckline keeps the look classic, making it ideal for parties, formal dinners, or festive gatherings. Pair it with fitted trousers, skirts to create a chic statement, making a symbol that radiates luxury style. Velvet high neck puff sleeve blouses make a striking impression with these high neck velvet blouses featuring voluminous puff sleeves. The premium velvet fabric offers a soft plush feel that drapes gracefully while maintaining structure. The high neckline adds sophistication, elegance, and the puff sleeves create a dramatic yet refined silhouette. Fitted cuffs and tailored waistline ensure balance and comfort, making this blouse perfect for evening events, weddings, or special celebration. The luxurious sheen of the velvet catches the light beautifully, enhancing the richness of your outfit, creating a truly regal appearance. Velvet lace panel blouses. These velvet lace panel blouses combine classic luxury with delicate femininity. Made from soft premium velvet, it features lace inverts along the neckline, shoulder, shoulders and sleeves, creating an elegant contrast in textures. The tailor fit flatters the figure, while long sleeves with less detailing add charm and sophistication, ideal for evening parties, formal gatherings, or festive occasions. This blouse pair with beautifully skirts, plazos, tailored trousers. The combination of lush velvet and intricate lace ensure a look that is both opulent and timeless, perfect for standing out gracefully. Velvet wrap front blouses elevate your wardrobe with these velvet wrap blouses designed to the